I would spend as much time as I can going for walks in the burn, and I feel the abstract nature of the rock actually starts to come out in art or something you might be drawing or the way you might be playing later. I've heard pipers talk about the way they change their embellishments based on the way the birds are singing, and they listen to those tones. I think everything to do with nature, it comes out in us. We don't even always know how to recognize it. It's just happening because we are reflections of it in the first place. I think I forget that from time to time, and I just need to always keep coming back to that reminder. And nature always does that. It's there, it's constantly waiting for you to wake up and just pay attention to the fact that it's happening, and it is now. You don't have to do anything else, just be in it.
I moved to Connemara at the start of the pandemic, and especially there you have no other option but to be completely immersed in the landscape. We live in one of the most beautiful countries in the world, and the sea always looks different. Like every second of the day it can look different. The light, especially, and just reconnecting with the seasons and our Celtic calendar as well is very important to me in my life. The Shanbally, as we'd say in Irish, we had such an appreciation for the old ways, and they somehow seem to have got lost a little along the way. But when you actually look at all those festivals like Lunasan, like Samhain, and just saying, actually, this is a time for celebration, this is a time for harvest and for listening to your body, it's just such a basic thing, and to really just reconnect with that is so important for all of us to do.